Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom profile picture on your PlayStation 5 so you can upload any image for your close friends. So go to your profile and then go to profile here, go all the way to the right to edit. Then if you go to profile picture, it'll tell you how to do this. Basically, just choose your custom profile picture over here on the right so it actually applies. And then you have to use the PlayStation app or go to the website. So I'm just going to use my phone. So I can go to this now, and then I can change my profile picture right here just by going to edit. I can change the picture to anything pretty much on my phone if I want. So I got all my recent pictures and stuff on there. So I can go back now and then choose that. So how you get here is very easy. So let's back out. So get the PlayStation app on your phone. So just go to the Google Play Store right here and type in PlayStation and then open up this app. Sign in with your email address and password with PlayStation, and then go to your profile. So just choose this right here. And then it should bring you to the screen where you can change everything. You just have to verify your account. So just tap your profile picture on here. And it'll bring you to the place where you can edit it. And then you can change your name on here too if you want. So you can change it right here. So it actually works quite quickly once you get everything going. So yeah, check this out. Just go on over to the home page here and then swipe up and go to edit profile or tap your picture. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.